Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download the latest version of Python with the latest version of PyCharm IDE. So let's start. First of all, open your web browser and search for Python download. Now open the first link, and as you can see, as of today the latest version of Python is 3.10.5, and click this download button and it will start the downloading. So to save some time, I have already downloaded, and I'm just going to open this installer package. So as you can see, the pop-up of installer package is now open, and first of all, check this box, add Python to path. This is very important, so you must check this box. Now click on customize installation. In here, make sure all the boxes are checked and then click next. In here, make sure to check this first box as well, and this is our default location where the Python is going to be installed. And now click the install button. Now you have to click yes, and it will start installing the Python into your system. So as you can see, the installation is completed of the Python. Now open your web browser and search for PyCharm download. Open the first link, and so this video is for Windows version, so I'm going to keep it Windows. And here, as you can see, there are two versions of PyCharm IDE, that is professional and community. So I'm going to prefer community version because it is free and it contains all the basic features that a developer needs. So click on the download button and it will start downloading. So I have already downloaded to save some time. So once you download, then open the installer package. So click on next, and I'm not going to change anything here. I will keep it default. So in here, make sure to check all the boxes. You must check all the boxes and then click next, then click install. So now as you can see, the installation is completed, and now click on the button finish. So now you can close this, and as you can see, the shortcut is created on the desktop for PyCharm. Now I'm going to open this. So also click here OK. So as you can see, the PyCharm IDE is open now, and from here you can create a new project. So I'm going to click on the new project, and this is the location where my project is going to save. And so also here I'm not going to change anything here, and make sure to check this box and make sure this box is checked and click on create. So as you can see, our first project is open now on the PyCharm IDE, which is a Python project. And from here I'm going to delete all this code and comments because these are the default, and I'm just going to remove everything. So just to check whether the Python and PyCharm is working correctly. I'm just going to write a simple code which will print the output, and if it works, that means our Python and PyCharm both are working fine. So I'm going to write here print statement, and here is the string which says hello world, and that's it. So now I'm going to run this code by clicking here, and as you can see the output is the hello world, which means the Python and PyCharm both are working fine, and there is no error in our installation and it's completely correct. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you found it useful. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.